Today, we're taking you inside our new manufacturing hub. And at the end of this video, I'll share how you can come and experience it for yourself. This has been a major investment that has significantly expanded our manufacturing capacity and strengthened our team's ability to design and build furniture right here in the UK. It all starts with the raw material arriving at our facility. Using CNC technology, we're able to cut, drill, and manufacture components with the utmost precision, ensuring consistent quality across every single project. Those components then move through our finishing processes. These include edge banding, drilling, and vinyl wrapping to create durable premium furniture that's built to perform in demanding care environments. By bringing manufacturing in-house, we're able to oversee every stage of production, from material selection through to the final quality inspection. And this gives us greater control over the quality, improves efficiency, and allows us to respond more effectively to bespoke customer requirements. For you, our customers, this investment means much more than a larger facility. It means dependable quality, reliable lead times, and the flexibility to create furniture tailored to each project's requirements, helping you deliver exceptional environments for residents and staff. And today, we're excited to officially open our doors to customers, giving you the opportunity to see firsthand how our furniture is designed and manufactured. We'd love to welcome you to Norfolk and take you behind the scenes at our new manufacturing hub, introduce you to the people behind the process, and show you firsthand how quality furniture is made right here in the UK. Click on the link to book your visit, and we look forward to welcoming you soon.